If you plan to install your Cassia G device on a pole or mast, watch this video to learn how to install the necessary mounting brackets for the power supply box. If you plan on placing Cassia G on a tripod, this video can be skipped. To test if your power supply is functional, plug it in and ensure the red LED on the outside of the enclosure illuminates. With the back of the supply box facing upwards, you will begin by grabbing the two brackets. You will want to place them in the orientation as shown here. Inside, there are two sets of screws, threaded plastic screws and the smaller machine screws. We will only be using the threaded plastic screws for this procedure. You can set the machine screws aside. Grab the supplied washers and place them over the threaded plastic screws. The screw will go through the bracket and into the supply box as indicated. Use the screwdriver to loosely tighten the first screw. This will allow you to slide the bracket and get it centered before tightening the next screw. A good indicator that the bracket is centered is checking that these two holes are equally spaced apart. Repeat the same process for the second bracket. Once all screws are tightened, ensure neither of the brackets are able to shift. Now grab the supplied band clamps and cut off the zip tie. You will then want to loosen the screw that tightens the band clamp using a flathead or the open socket of an interchangeable screwdriver. Once the clamp is opened, you will want to thread it through the openings on the bracket as indicated. Now you will need to thread it through the backside of the band clamp and slightly tighten with a screwdriver. Repeat the same process for the second band clamp. Assembly of the power supply box is now complete. Move on to the next video for installation.